if we scroll down, they have a profitable commercial HVAC business. They do residential and commercial. So that's people's houses and businesses like McDonald's, hospitals, Walmarts, grocery stores, anything that's a business. And they cash flow $650,000. So let's go ahead and open this one up. It's located in Miami Lakes, Florida. Miami-Dade County. Dade County is the county. So let's go in deep dive. You see they got the van in the background. The man on the roof, he getting to it. Look like he got his equipment hooked up. Look like he's recharging an AC so it can blow cold. The cash flow is $650,000. And the gross revenue is $3.6 million. So that's gross. That's before any of the bills come out, any of the taxes come out, any of the payroll come out. So they do $3.6 million a year. They're only asking $4 million. So far, I mean, that's a good deal. It's established 2015. This video, follow this page and share this video. If you want to learn how to get paid for bad credit, go to www.goodcreditcheatcode.com.